morning, everybody. Welcome back to another week of school. This week we are going to be working on order of operations. We did this earlier in the year, so it should be a pretty quick and easy slam dunk. However, I'm going to make it a little bit more challenging than in the past when we did this earlier in the year. First of all, if you have forgotten, which hopefully you haven't, we've got PEMDAS, which is how we're going to remember the order of operations and what comes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. The P stands for parentheses, the E exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. You'll hopefully remember why we have a heart around multiplication and division. It means they're in love. It doesn't matter. There is no particular order in which to do multiplication and division other than left to right. So if you have multiplication and division set up, you do whichever one comes first, left to right. The reason we do that is because multiplication and division are in love, and they're always going to defer to the one that comes before them, just like you would if you were in love. Same thing with addition and subtraction. They're in love, so we go left to right. If subtraction comes before addition, you do it first, even though it comes after addition in the PEMDAS. Same thing with multiplication and division. If division comes first in the problem, you do division first because multiplication, being in love with division, will defer to that. When you are solving these problems, you're going to be showing your work in your Notability document step by step. I need to see everything. So you are going to do one step at a time. So when you look at this first problem, 8 minus 3 times 4 divided by 6, remember this is a division sign, is how it's going to show up in your Schoology, plus 5 squared. You're going to follow order of operations with PEMDAS, and you're going to show each step at a time. So when I look at this problem, you're going to show each step one at a time. When I look at this problem, I realize I have no parentheses, so I'm going to immediately skip down to my E, which is exponent, and I have an exponent in 5 squared. What we will do is we will write the answer to 5 squared right underneath it, and then rewrite the whole problem just like so. And this is exactly what you'll do in your work. So now we have 8 minus 3 times 4 divided by 6 plus 25. There is no parentheses, there are no exponents, so we're going to go to multiplication and division. We do have a multiplication problem and we do have a division problem. For multiplication, we have 3 times 4, and for division, we have 4 divided by 6. Left to right, multiplication comes first, so we're going to do the 3 times 4 and rewrite the problem, solving whatever 3 times 4 is, which is 12. We have 8 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 25. Again, run through your order of operations, no parentheses, no exponents. There is no multiplication. There is division, so go ahead and solve your division problem. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Fill in the rest. We've got 8 minus 2 plus 25. Again, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, none of those exist. We're now to addition and subtraction. Subtraction comes before addition, so we're going to do 8 minus 2 first, which is 6. Rewrite plus 25. 6 plus 25 is 31. Box your final answer. Again, you must show every single step in the operation, even if you think you're super duper good at solving order of operations, which most of you are. I want to see everything in your work. I have one more problem. I'm going to go through this one a little bit more quickly. We have 7 minus parentheses 2 plus 4 squared parentheses plus 9 divided by 3. First thing we're going to do is look for exponents. We have exponents, but in the exponents is an first thing we're going to look for is parentheses, and in the parentheses we have an exponent. So we can't even do the parentheses until we take care of the exponents. So we are going to solve 4 squared and get 16. We still have these parentheses. We still have 7 minus whatever these parentheses are. We still have plus 9 divided by 3. So the parentheses still exist. We got rid of the exponent within the parentheses. So now we solve the parentheses and get 2 plus 6 is 18. Rewrite your problem. 7 minus 18 plus 9 divided by 3. Parentheses are gone. Exponents are gone. Multiplication and division is next. There is no multiplication, but there is division. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Again, rewrite the problem. 7 minus 18 plus 3. Subtraction and addition is all we have left, so we work left to right. 7 minus 18. We're at negative 11. This is where a lot of us got in trouble. earlier on in the year with dealing with negatives. So 7 minus 18 is negative 11 plus 3. Negative 11 plus 3. If you draw your number line, here's 0. Here's negative 11. We're going to add 3, so we're going to go negative 10, negative 9, negative 8. So that's 1, 2, 3 this way. Your answer is negative 8. Please show every single step just like I did, and good